Carteret County should be the top on your list. The area is known for its crystal coast, for its crystal clear beaches. Our various waterways of rivers, open sounds, and the Atlantic Ocean give the local residents multiple opportunities to enjoy themselves. Whether you're fishing, shelling, boating, or just viewing, this area will satisfy your needs.
Welcome the opportunity to assist you with your real estate questions. Let us know how we at Ferguson O'Conor Realty can help you achieve your real estate needs in one of the top North Carolina beaches.